Alright, it's time to move to next floor. Second floor plan. As you can see here, we have a floor. First of all, we need to model. So let's model it. For doing that, I go to the first floor plan. I make a copy of this. Copy. Second floor plan. I choose second floor plan. Okay. Now I need to just edit for this part of the floor. Edit boundaries. I need these lines, but this line, it is not like this. This is redundant. Now press TR for trim. Okay, that's all right. Finish. Here, Revit asks a question which is very practical and important. Would you like walls that go up to this floor's level to etch this bottom? Always say yes to this question. And if you see a message like this, unjoin element, unjoin it. Okay, that's not gonna be a problem in future. And as you can see, all the walls are attached to the bottom of this floor. But you remember that from the previous part, I created a floor which was 45 centimeters, and it should be different now in the second floor. So select it, edit type, let's duplicate it. It should be 40 centimeters now, and it is not ground. Okay. I forgot to adjust its thickness, and thickness should be 40 centimeters. Okay. Let's check from the south view. That's all right. There is no problem. Okay. This view in the south elevation, I want to extend my levels. I can do it by selecting one of them and grabbing and dragging this. But be aware that when you do that in the north elevations, you have to do it again, just like other views. But there is one way which is very quick. I select all of the objects here, then select filter, check none, and I choose levels. Okay. Right click on one of them and choose this maximize 3D extents. If you do this in all of the views and all including 3D view, you can see that your levels are extended. In this way you will be able to see all the levels in the place which are not bothering your project anymore. And now I want to create other floors. I select this one, I copy it to clipboard, paste, align to selected levels. I need to have this floor on third floor plan and also roof. Okay. And let's go to each view and edit the boundaries of the floors. Here in the second floor plan, I edited one time. Third floor plan, I do not need this line, and I delete this line as well. I press TR. and everything is right. And in the roof plan view, I don't need this line as well. Let's check it. That's all right. And here, as you can see, we should have a roof for amphitheater, and let's edit the boundaries. Delete, delete, delete. And it is in the level of third floor. We should have something like this. TR. No, I have other floors as well. Now I want to create walls of these floors, exterior walls as well. I need to go to the second floor plan. I choose wall, and if you press WA, you can activate the wall command. Also W and then pressing a space key. Pick lines. It is 20 centimeters, and let's adjust its properties. It is going from second floor up to roof. I want to create a wall for 2 floors, and offset 0, join status allow, and finish face exterior. The line you are selecting means the exterior face of the wall. Okay. When you select a line, because lines are very short here in the AutoCAD, it is drew like this. It will be created, a wall will be created just like this. It doesn't matter. Just choose one on each side. Here, 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 and it is all right. Press TR. And I created exterior walls of 2 floors of this area. Checking the walls in 3D view, and that's okay. You can see here the walls are not covering the floor. They should be covering it because they are not on the floor. And for doing that, I hold mouse on one of the walls. I press tab key until I see I can select all of the walls. I select all walls, and here in the base offset I enter -0.4. It means go down 40 centimeters. Apply. It's alright, and I do it again because I want to have 1 meter parapet. In the top offset I enter 1 for 1 meter, and it is okay. You can see that the walls are now covering the floors in the top and in the base area. Now I want to create void here, and all the floors are somehow have voids. So let's create them. I go to the roof level, and and here I choose all of the elements here, and I press filter, check none, and floors. Now I want to add my void here, but I cannot see anything to choose from. The first thing I can do is to somehow using the lines that I have here, third floor plan. Here I have lines, but if I want to use them, here I have an underlay. I put this one on third floor plan, and I can see all the lines, and then I can be able to choose them. So let's choose floor again and check none, floors, edit boundary, and now I can pick lines and select these lines. To have my void. And I told you select yes to join, and if you see something like this, detach target, okay. Now I have my void here and roof. Let's check one thing. Now I want to check if this line with this line are, you know, at the same place or not. I draw a reference plane, press RP for drawing a reference plane, and you can see that they are not at the same place. So let's edit this and putting on the reference plane. That's okay for now, and I delete reference plane. And also these walls should have 1 meter. Because I attached the walls to this floor, I cannot see anymore the 1 meter parapet level I had here. So let's detach them from this floor until I can see the real levels of these walls. Now in the latest floor, actually my roof, I have different levels. Let's take a look at my model in AutoCAD. You can see that this place is higher than this place. You know, let's take a better look, and it is clear that we have a slope here. We have flat surface here, a slope, and it is higher. This place is higher than other parts. So let's see how we can model this in Revit. I choose edit boundaries, and let's go to the roof view. Here I need to delete this line, trim this line with this line, because I'm gonna cut this part from this part. And let's create a line here. And trim this line with this. And this line with this. And let's measure the distance. It should be very small. It is 0.0022. It means that it is very small. Yeah, that's okay. Don't worry. Again, that same question, I say no because I have already done that. and here I created a shaft here between these two levels. And now let's see how can I move up this part. Now I need accurate points of you know, the slope points actually. Let's see here in the top view one of the points, 2 points we have here and 2 points we have here. So I go to the roof and I need to draw 2 reference plan for it. I press RP and one was here and one was here. Okay, now if I select the floor, I can add points, modify sub elements. Okay, one should be here, add point. One is here. Let's see which one it is. I need here as well, and one I have here, and one I need here. That's okay. And I need to pull it up to 14.55, and it is you know, if I measure the distance, 1.5 meters. So let's move the points. One meter and a half. I did it for the other part, but I should bring it down for other part. Zero. And also here you can press tab until the point changes its color. 1.5. And this one 1.5, and this point as well 1.5, and that's it. Yeah, it is similar to this. Let's edit profile of this wall based on the slope of the roof we have. Let's go to the north view, select pick line, 1 meter. The elevation of my parapet is 1 meter. I choose this line, and now it is 1 meter above the slope. And I also need to have 1 meter here. Let's check. Here we have 1 meter, and here we have also 1 meter. I don't need this line anymore. Now I don't delete it. Let's trim it with this line and this line with this. It looks all right now. Here we have a problem. Yeah, we haven't trimmed it yet. That's okay. And also I select these 3 walls because I want to adjust these 2 walls with this one. And I select isolate elements. I don't want to see other elements. So go to the left view. Here I choose edit profile. I press AL. I choose this, remove constraint. It is because I attached this wall to the floor. This message was about that. That's okay. The best way to control top and base of the wall is modify constraint. And okay. And let's also this one is important because at the back of the wall we have something like this. This wall is based on this wall. It means that they are the same at the top part. So I delete this one. I select pick line, this line, and I select a line from here to here, trim them together, and this with this. That's okay. Now I reset my temporary height and isolate. But as you can see, yeah, we have a problem here. For adjusting this, it's better to choose this and this together, isolate elements, and now in this view it will be easier to edit profile. I don't need this line actually. Let's have this line instead. Let's trim this with this, and I draw a line here for closing the wall. Okay. No, I think it is based on the slope. Yeah, it is based on the slope. Then I need to create a wall here and a wall here, and also a wall for here. It's detail, it's not important yet because I'm completing the whole shape of the building. Then after completing it, I will go for details and all necessary details will be applied. Reset temporary. And alright everybody, this is the end of part 2. For part 1, a link will be provided in the description below. If you haven't watched it, you can find it there. And also, if you found this video useful, just like it, it helps a lot. Thank you very much. Goodbye until the next session.